Did you know that you can create an entire book using one click, one prompt, and you can create 20 pages instantly using new feature in this amazing AI tool that I want to share with you, and start selling this item or maybe this digital product that you're going to be creating on, maybe you can sell on Etsy, you can create or you can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Gumroad, wherever you want to sell. But the main point is you make passive income. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be walking you through how I made a very beautiful coloring book, 20 pages instantly, just with one click, without wasting any time, so that you can also try making this thing and start making money, earning money just the same way I'm doing. Let me walk you through without even wasting any time.
First step I want you to do is go to your browser, whichever you are using, and type in ColoringBook.ai, okay? And then sign in with your beautiful or amazing image that you are using. It is a very easy process to sign up. Once you sign up, this is AI coloring pages generator. This is a feature that utilizes AI to generate amazing, beautiful images, and they have actually added a new feature that I want us to try, and it is one of the best, I kid you not. Now it is coloring book generator. You're gonna click there, okay? Once you are on the site, you're gonna click there, and as you can see, this is the preview, or maybe what they are saying. You can actually from the total, like from this to this, okay, and with consistent character. So we're gonna be trying to see this new feature, and I kid you not, you're gonna love it. So the first thing, you will see this dashboard, and it is so easy to navigate. You're gonna actually create your images. Maybe you have a story from a story. Maybe you want to create a story for your kids who love, maybe, let's say, animals, or maybe for today's video I'm going to be doing a story whereby a little girl who loves cars. We all know cars are for boys, but we have girls who are passionate actually about cars. That's the story we're going to be doing. Now you can, if you have the image of that person or maybe the character that you are creating, you can actually use this feature whereby you can create using that image. If you don't have, don't worry, ColoringBook.ai has already got you, because you can actually use AI to do what just text. You give it a prompt and then it's gonna generate. Or better still, you can be inspired by the AI feature here. So I have already my prompt here that I want to use, and it is a little girl. Lena is a confident, curious girl with big curly hair, goggles on her head, a bright jumpsuit, and a love for fixing car, racing, and learning how engines work. Okay, so that is what I want to use as my prompt for the image that I want, or maybe for my character. Now the next step, you must have your outline, the story. Like I told you guys, the story we are creating today is for a little girl who loves cars, or maybe who loves to chase machines.
Now, when I'm sharing this, I'm not telling you to copy what I'm just doing. You come up with your own idea, with your own things. Think of something. Don't just copy because I'm doing this and you are copying the same thing and creating the same thing and think. We are all different. You can think about something. You can think maybe a coloring book of your animals in the garden, a coloring book of your ex-boyfriend with his baby mama. You can think of anything. I'm not limiting you. I want you to be creative, so that when you are creating this thing, you are actually creating something that people love, something that people want to actually utilize. Using coloring AI book, I think people can actually benefit, because it gives you that instant, okay, that instant creation. You don't need other tools. You don't need to worry about if you don't know how to illustrate, if you don't know how to draw. This thing is super powerful.
So you're gonna have to create a story here, and to create a story is very simple. Just remember, you have to make sure that your story, when you are creating, or maybe you are putting in the prompt, it is not it is not too much, not more than 500 characters. Now if you don't know, or maybe if you are blank, like you don't know, you don't have any story, you can still go to AI tools like ChatGPT, and they're gonna give you a story and you insert here. For today's video, for the sake of the time, I have my prompt here that I'm going to be using to create this beautiful book using Lena, or maybe using character Lena. So I'm going to insert my character here, my character prompt, my story outline here, and then I'm going to click here. This is the feature that I want you, this is something I want you to see. So you can create 5 pages at a go, you can create 10 pages, you can create 20 pages. Can you imagine creating 20 pages just within a few minutes? And it is something that will wow people, and people will start buying, and that's how you actually create income once you start selling these things. Okay, now I'm going to create here, I'm going to click where 20 pages, and as a disclaimer I have to tell you, for the purpose of commercial use and also for you to get more features, you must be on a premium feature, and their pro version is actually they have good versions. Okay, so we're gonna create here 20 pages, and then you're gonna click generate. Okay, once you are there, it's gonna bring to you this dashboard. Forget about this one, these were the ones that I was trying. So we have our text, our character here, the character for the prompt for the character. We have our outline here, the story outline, and we choose, they give you to choose the dimensions. You can do a default here, you can do a square here, or a landscape. For us, we're going to keep it like that. And because you are on a pro version, you can still do what, you can still remove the watermark. But if you are just trying this, it's gonna come out with a watermark. So you're gonna do what, you're gonna click here generate. It's gonna use 32 credits from your from your account, and then we click generate. So as you can see, it is being generated here. We're gonna give it a few minutes, as you can see here, and the images are being created, or maybe they are creating fast. They're gonna create the character. Let's see. Let's watch and see. Now, as you can see, you have to choose your character. They normally give you options here, and they have created this one, and I think this is super beautiful. We're gonna be using this one. As you have seen, she has the goggles here. She has this curly hair with a jumpsuit. So this one is perfect for us. So the next step is actually to click here next step, and then you can view everything here. Confirm your storyline, Lena's dream car adventure, and then the next page, Lena with curly hair and goggles sits at her desk drawing car designs. Okay, and then you can view everything here. Let me just show you guys everything. The next page is Lena in her jumpsuit examining a broken toy car with a magnifying glass. And then third page is Lena using tiny tools to fix the wheels of a toy racing car. And then we have Lena and her friends racing toy cars on her homemade track in the backyard. So I think this story is amazing, and also it shows how this little girl is actually into cars and into machines, and I can't wait to see what we're gonna generate, or maybe the outcome. Okay, so now the next step is actually to just click here, start generating. Okay, as easy as that, and you can see they tell you already started. Please wait for a few minutes. It's gonna take a few minutes. Let's just wait and see. We are around 9:38. Let's see how many minutes it's gonna take. Okay, now we are at around 9:44, and you can see our book is already there. And it has taken not more than even 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes actually. I think it is around 6 minutes, and our book is actually done. Now this is just the front, or maybe the cover, and I can't wait to see everything. Let's see everything, how it looks like. Okay, you're gonna click here. You can download PDF, or maybe download in a zip. Let's click here and view everything. Let me move this one here. Okay, so this is the coloring book cover. Okay, you can see the text, Lena's dream car adventure. Wow, super amazing, super beautiful. Tell me in the comment section if you think this is amazing, and let's read the first one. Lena with curly hair and goggles sits at her desk drawing car designs. Can you see? This is something that kids will love. My kids will definitely love, especially my little girl. And then the next page, let's view. Lena in her jumpsuit examining a broken car with a magnifying glass. As you can see, she has the magnifying glass, examining the car with her curly hair with goggles. And I want you to bear, or maybe I want you to pay attention to the character consistency, the jumpsuit, the goggles, the beautiful eyes, the curly hair. Okay, and then the next page. Okay, now Lena using tiny tools to fix the wheels of a toy racing car. Can you see? She has the tools. She's fixing the car. Super beautiful. Tell me in the comments if you're liking this book or not. Lena and her friends racing toy cars. Beautiful, super beautiful. This is the next page, the next page, the next page, the next page. This one, and this one, and this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Lena sitting happily with all her friends and their newly built go-kart. You can see this is the cart that they build, and with her beautiful friends, and you can see the character consistency. She still keeps it. So guys, this is it, and I highly recommend you to try this new feature, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. There's so many things that you can create using this feature just within a few clicks, like you have seen. It doesn't take a lot of time. Now once you are done, you are satisfied with it, you're gonna click here. I'm gonna click double, or maybe I'm gonna double click here, download in a PDF. Okay, it's gonna start downloading. Okay, as you can see, all the 50 pages. And also something else, once you have downloaded it, you're gonna have in your downloads, bring it to Canva. Okay, bring it to Canva. Choose, maybe if you want to do what, you choose the size, or maybe the custom size. I'm gonna choose this one. And then what I'm gonna do is to bring all my I'm gonna go to uploads, upload it here. Okay, where is that? Lena's dream car, I think it is this one. And then let's give it a minute so that I can show you how you can actually easily arrange here inside Canva, so that you can start creating your stuff and start selling it. Okay, this is one of the best amazing AI tool that I highly recommend you to try. I have used it and I'm loving it. Okay, one of the best. Let's give it. So it is here, the designs are here. You can see all the 21 pages, including the cover. So you click here and then you say apply all pages. Once you apply, it's gonna actually because it's gonna come with the size that we had chosen. But if you don't want that size, if you don't want this size, you can actually you can simply resize here. Okay, simply resize here to this one. Resize the design if you don't want that size. And then let's see, this is it. So the first page is here. Let's click here. This is the first page. You have to adjust the way you want, and you can see, you guys, this is super amazing. The next one, this is the next one, and you can see the pro feature. It comes without the watermark. One of the best, ready to be ready to be to be used once you are in Canva, and you can resize it however you want and start actually doing creating for your projects to sell online, or maybe for your kids if you are homeschooling. Guys, until next time, guys, I'm loving this one. I'm gonna finish this book. I'll leave the link to this amazing feature, or maybe this amazing feature in ColoringBook.ai, so that you guys can try and start creating amazing features using this new feature inside this website. Okay, I'll see you next in my next video. Tell me in the comment section what should I create next, and I'll be so happy to read.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you next in my next video. See you. Bye bye.